Welcome to our channel where we show you exactly how to verify your Handy Cleaner account with simple steps for smooth access. Welcome to our channel, every new user who wants to join Handy. As a cleaner must verify their Handy Cleaner account to start accepting cleaning jobs. Without any issues first, make sure you have completed the registration process on the Handy platform. By providing all the required personal and professional information, step 1 is to open the Handy website or use the Handy app on your smartphone, then navigate to the account verification section, which can usually be found in your account settings or profile area. Next, prepare your documents for verification. Handy typically requires a valid government-issued ID, such as a driver's license, passport, or national ID card, along with proof of address, and sometimes additional certifications, depending on your location. In step 2, upload clear and legible copies of these documents by following the instructions provided on the verification page. Ensure that the photos or scans are not blurry, and all details are visible for faster approval. The third step involves completing any additional background checks or online tests Handy may require for cleaners to ensure a safe and trustworthy service platform. This might include giving consent for a criminal background check, or completing an English proficiency test. Step 4 is the waiting period. Usually the verification process can take anywhere from a few hours up to several days based on location and the volume of requests. It's important to check your email regularly or the notifications within the Handy app to stay updated about your verification status. Meanwhile, keep your contact information up to date to avoid missing any important messages. Once your account is verified, you will receive confirmation and gain full access to manage your schedule, accept cleaning tasks, and interact with customers directly. As a final tip, always keep your documents handy and ready for any future re-verification or updates. Verifying your Handy Cleaner account not only helps you secure your job, but also builds trust with clients and increases your chances of getting bookings.